Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I am going to tell about many computer science topics from basic to advanced. Today I am going to continue operating system from where I had left. Today I am going to continue from types of scheduling. There are two types of scheduling, preemptive scheduling and non-preemptive scheduling. Coming to the first one, that is preemptive scheduling. Preemptive scheduling is used when process switches from running state to ready state or ready state to waiting state. The resources, mainly CPU cycles, are allotted to the process to the limited amount of time, and then it's taken away and the process is again placed back on the ready queue if the process still have CPU burst time remaining. The process stay in the ready queue till it gets next chance to execute. Algorithm based on the preemptive scheduling are round robin, shortest time, remaining time first, priority, etc. Now coming to non-preemptive scheduling. Non-preemptive scheduling is used when a process terminates or a process switches from running to waiting state. In this scheduling, once the resources CPU cycle is allocated to the process holds the CPU till it's get terminated or reaches the waiting state. In case of non-preemptive scheduling, does not interrupt a process running CPU in the middle of the execution. Algorithm based on non-preemptive scheduling are shortest job first, SJ basically non-preemptive, and priority basically non-preemptive person. Now coming to why do we need scheduling? We need scheduling because a typical process involves both input output time and CPU time. In a uni-programming system like MS-DOS, time spent waiting for input output is wasted and CPU is free during this time. In multi-programming, one process can use CPU while another is waiting for input output. This is possible only with process scheduling. Now coming to the objective of process scheduling algorithm. First one is maximum CPU utilization. The amount of work a CPU handles to process resources or manage an operating system. Now coming to the second one, that is fair allocation of CPU. It is a scheduling algorithm for computer operating system in which the CPU usage is equally distributed among system or users or groups as opposed to equal distribution of resources among processes. Now coming to the third one, that is maximum throughput. In operating system, it is the amount of work completed in a unit of time. Now coming to the fourth one, that is minimum turnaround time. The amount of time it takes to complete a process is called as minimum turnaround time. Now coming to the fifth one, that is minimum waiting time. The period of time in which a working item is waiting for further processing is called as the minimum waiting time. Now coming to the last one, that is minimum response time. Time taken to transmit the inquiry, process it by computer and transmit it to response back to the terminal is called as the minimum response time. Now coming to PCB, that is process control block. All the attributes in process are stored in the PCB. PCB means process OS PCB. Every process has its own PCB. In the ready state, we have multiple number of processes. In the ready state, the head points to the first PCBs of the processes pointed to each other. When we have multiple PCBs of process, the short-term schedule select one of the PCB of the process by applying scheduling algorithm. Now coming to different terminologies, first one is burst time. The time required for the process for its execution is called as the burst time of the process. Now coming to the second one, that is completion time. The time when the process completes its execution is called as the completion time of the process. Now coming to the third one, that is turnaround time. The time difference between the completion time and the arrival time is called as the turnaround time of the process. The formula is turnaround time is equal to completion time minus arrival time. Coming to the fourth one, that is waiting time. The time difference between the turnaround time and burst time is called as the waiting time of the process. The formula is waiting time is equal to turnaround time minus burst time. Now coming to the last one is that response time. The first responder time on the first schedule is called as the response time. Thank you. That's all for today from my side. If you like my video, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.